2017 BMW X3 review. The 2017 BMW X3 hits all the right notes: sporty handling, potent engines, a handsome cabin, and high predicted reliability and safety scores. The X3 also offers plenty of room for your passengers and cargo, so it's as good at commuting during the week as it is playing on the weekend. New for 2017. Upgraded iDrive interface, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi hotspot are new options. Pros and cons. Powerful lineup of engines. Sporty handling and steering. Plenty of passenger and cargo room. High-quality materials. Distracting engine stop-start feature. Many luxury features don't come standard. The 2017 X3 has a lineup of strong engines that feature robust power and decent fuel economy. The X3 also offers nimble and engaging handling, and it provides one of the best overall driving experiences in the class. The 2017 BMW X3 S-Drive 28i and X-Drive 28i are equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine that makes 240 horsepower. The X3 X-Drive 35i comes with a 300 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine. The X3 X-Drive 28D features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbodiesel engine that produces 180 horsepower. An 8-speed automatic transmission comes standard in all models, and a sport transmission with paddle shifters is optional. The S-Drive 28i and X-Drive 28i models get 21 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway, which is fairly good for the class. The most powerful of the available engines, the six-cylinder in the X-Drive 35i, gets an estimated 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 on the highway. The turbodiesel engine gets 2,734 miles per gallon city highway, excellent numbers for the class. Acceleration is quick with the standard turbocharged engine, and the six-cylinder powertrain provides even more thrilling power. Some critics find the stop-start function distracting, but it can fortunately be disabled. The X3 offers positive handling characteristics, such as good road feedback and precise steering. It feels sporty through turns and on highway ramps, and the ride quality is acceptable for daily driving. The X3's interior has the classic styling and quality materials that you would expect from the BMW brand. The X3 also features comfortable seats, ample cargo room, and high-tech features such as the intuitive iDrive infotainment system. The BMW X3 seats 5 and comes standard with leatherette upholstery and power-adjustable front seats. Heated front and rear seats, sports seats, a heated steering wheel and leather upholstery can be added as options. There is good space for passengers overall, and those in the rear seat should enjoy lots of leg room. The seats are comfortable, but you can get an even better experience by opting for the front sport seats, which offer more support. Visibility is superior. The latch system in the X3 has 3 top tether anchors that are all easy to locate and shouldn't be confused for other parts of the seat. The lower anchors are deep in the seat, and it requires a good amount of force to attach the straps. The X3's standard features include automatic climate control, the iDrive infotainment system, a 9-speaker stereo system, HD radio, enhanced USB connections and Bluetooth, which includes an additional microphone, Bluetooth for a second phone, library browsing and voice control for contacts and music, mobile office, which allows touchscreen access to messaging, tasks, and voice memos, and transfers contact info to the navigation system, and BMW Assist eCall, which can automatically notify emergency responders in a crash. Optional features include a surround view camera system, wireless Apple CarPlay, navigation, satellite radio, a 16-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound audio system, a head-up display, a panoramic moonroof, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, front and rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, active park assist, and lane departure warning.